Welcome. Today in front of me Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, and I'll show you the how to set charging limits in wireless power sharing on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then scroll here down to the battery and device care. Now just click here to the battery and tap to the wireless power sharing. Here you can see the battery limit section, and now here you can set the battery limit from the 30% to 90, and now as can you see, when the charging the charging will stop when your phone will reach the battery percent that you'll set here. In my case, that will be, for example, the 40%. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.